perfect cut with the TSO MTX square. That's not what this video is about. Although I will tell you something about this at the end of this video. This video is for you that missed Black Friday. Smart Woodshop fam, a 10% discount on TRX Square. TRS parallel guides, dog stop. What the heck? If it's blue and says TSO on it, you can get 10% off. There's a link in the description of this video. Down below, I'll have the dates of this discount, which start today, and the code I'll put down there too. So click on the link, copy the code, go to the site, and choose whatever you want, and apply the code at checkout. You get 10% off. But not only that, if you live on the mainland, the continental 48 of the United States, and you spend $299 or more, you get shipping for $0. But it even gets better than that. If it's in the TSO store and it's not blue, and it doesn't say TSO on it, say like the Paulk Guide Mark II, and they just picked up the micro jig stuff, so they've got a few of those tools, anything on their site. All right, give me a minute to put all this stuff away, and then I will answer that question that I've been getting on the brand new MTRX Triangle. What is the range that it will cut when it's attached to your guide rail with the guide rail adapter that the kit comes with? Before I tell you that, I have to say this is the one and only adjustable angle tool that works with the track system that I have, that I can actually trust that what I set it on is the cut I'm going to get. I have tested it on wider material, narrower material. Obviously the wider, the more off it would be if it were off. And testing it with my Bosch angle finder, every single cut has been exactly what I set it on my intended cut. So I can trust it. In this configuration, the way I use it, I can go from 0 to 77, which in effect is no limitation at all. 77, you can see that cut is like way over here. As long as I can get that 0 to say around 60, then that's going to cover all of the needs that I'm going to have. As a final note on the MTRX Triangle, how it's configured and built up right now, the way I have it set up, is the way that I keep it 100% of the time. So it is always ready for me to slide onto any of my tracks, and I don't have to do any assembly. So I'm liking it. This is the way you're going to see me use it in the years that go by in the shop. And now I'll be able to do some very accurate angles without having to measure and make a mark on this side and a mark on the other, calculate the angle, and then just set the track. This again is the first time there's been a tool that I feel confident that I can carry my accuracy of my track into my angles and trust the dimension that I set it on. All right, Woodshop fam, this is the last opportunity you're going to have in 2022 to get a discount on some really great tools. Use the link in the description of this video down below and grab that discount code to use on checkout. Thanks for dropping in and hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.